All right, folks, running Ansible roles from the command line is like summoning a magical automation genie. First, we use ansible-playbook, the trusted spellbook that makes things happen. But sometimes, we want to go direct, and that's where Ansible command comes in. If you're feeling fancy, include role is great for modular execution. And for the grand finale, passing variables helps tailor automation to your needs. No more manual drudgery. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Welcome to Ansible Roles, a lifesaver when managing automation chaos. Think of roles like neatly packed toolkits. Instead of writing the same tasks repeatedly, we create roles, making automation structured and reusable. Roles contain tasks, variables, and templates, each serving its purpose. And the best part, modularity. Want to use the same automation magic across multiple projects? Roles have you covered. Why should you use Ansible Roles? Because they make automation smoother than a buttered slide. First, they simplify your playbooks so you're not drowning in scripts. Second, they boost reusability. Write once, use everywhere. They also help teams collaborate without stepping on each other's toes. And the cherry on top, standardized deployments, so there's no works on my machine drama. Before jumping into running Ansible roles, let's talk prerequisites, because even automation needs groundwork. First, make sure Ansible is installed. Otherwise, you're just shouting commands into the void. Next, SSH access is crucial. It's how Ansible connects to systems. Then, keep that role directory organized, because even automation hates clutter. And finally, define your variables and dependencies to make roles work seamlessly. Tags are your secret weapon for controlling execution. Imagine skipping unnecessary steps like skipping ads on YouTube. Efficiency at its finest. With tags, you only run what you need, improving debugging and saving precious time. Plus, they're flexible enough to be added dynamically in playbooks. So next time, tag smartly and run wisely. Debugging isn't just fixing errors, it's detective work. Turn on verbose mode and uncover the mystery of execution logs. Look at the task order like solving a puzzle, because order matters. Handlers can save the day when something misfires. And if you're ever unsure, the debug module lets you peek into variables like reading minds. Sherlock Holmes would be proud. Running roles isn't just about execution. It's about keeping things clean. Organizing roles, well, makes future updates a breeze. Dependencies. Use them wisely, just like friendships. Some help, others complicate things. Keep variable scopes limited to avoid chaos. And always document roles, because future you will forget what past you did. Errors. The unwelcome guests at every execution party. YAML syntax mistakes are like typos in emails. Small but disastrous. Variable names must be precise, or they'll haunt you. Incorrect role paths. They'll send your tasks into oblivion. And idempotency. It's the difference between a well-behaved script and absolute chaos. Solve these, and you're the troubleshooting champ. Automation is like having a superpower. It does the hard work for you. Embed roles directly into CI/CD workflows for seamless execution. Environment variables keep things adaptable, like a Swiss Army knife. Running tests before deployment. That's like tasting food before serving. Avoids disasters. And rollback mechanisms. They're your parachute if things go sideways. Now that you've absorbed all the wisdom about running roles, remember, efficiency is the name of the game. Troubleshooting keeps things smooth. Best practices maintain stability, and learning never stops. Treat this knowledge like a fine cup of coffee. It gets better with practice. Happy automating. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.